What's up, Bulls? Christian here, and you're just in time to figure out the inside scoop on how to pay tuition. Paying tuition isn't as scary as it seems, and thanks to the USF cashier's office, they've made an easy-to-use system on how to pay tuition. So here at USF, tuition is due by the 5th day of class for that semester. This means if we begin classes on a Monday, tuition is due Friday of that same week. If you're receiving any scholarship, financial aid, Florida prepaid, or any form of financial assistance, then you qualify for a deferment. A deferment is essentially a later date for you to pay your tuition, and you'll be informed through your USF email whether or not you qualify for a deferment. Alright, now to paying tuition. The easiest way to pay your tuition would be online. To do this, you would go to usf.edu on your internet-enabled device. Once you do this, you're going to want to click My USF and log in with your NetID and password. Then click My Resources and click Oasis. Select Student, then select Tuition and Fees. Then you can select View Account Summary and Pay My Bill. Here, you're going to see the entire cost of your semester's tuition. And at the top, you can click Student Bill Payment, and then log in again with your USF NetID and password. Here, you're going to see a balance and the option to make a payment. If you're paying online, be sure to keep in mind that if you do decide to go with a MasterCard, Discover, or American Express, the bank will charge an additional 2.5% convenience fee. Unfortunately, Visa is not accepted due to a higher convenience fee charge. But when you pay with e-check, there's no extra charge for whichever bank you use. By clicking Authorized User, you have the option to add an authorized user or to make a payment on your behalf. If you want to mail in a check or money order, you will just need to include your student ID in the envelope. The address to where you will have to send the check or money order is down in the description. Also keep in mind that it does take time for the mail to get in, so you should send it in advance before the bill due. Well, Bulls, I know that was a lot of information to take in, but don't worry, there's going to be a link down below in the description with the link to the cashier's office webpage if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. See you next time!